So hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you check whether the entered number is 3 digit or not. First we have to take the value of number. So I will write here num equals to int input enter a number. Now we have to apply the conditions to check this number is 3 digit or not. So I will write here if num is less than 1000 and num is greater than 99. Print the entered number is 3 digit. Else print the entered number is not 3 digit. So let's run the program. So I have to write here number. So I will write 721. So the entered number is 3 digit number. So now I will run this program again and then write 99. The entered number is not a 3 digit number. So it is running well. We will check it again. So now I will enter 4 digit number here. So I will write here 1 2 3 4. So it is showing the entered number is not a 3 digit number, which is correct. Means it is working well. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.